Welcome to Mike Express 3D Printing Company. Located in Hunter Street, Newcastle, NSW, we specialize in bringing your imagination to life. From majestic dragons to elegant wedding decorations and unique home decor, our state-of-the-art 3D printing technology delivers high-quality, detailed models. We also cater to model train enthusiasts with a wide range of custom-made trains. At Mike Express, we turn your dreams into reality.